Tenacious is a small lunar exploration rover. It's quite small, it's about 5 kilograms, about 35 centimeters long. So we designed this to be a very small rover that we can take on our lander and explore the landing site. It's quite a simple, robust rover. So we use just 4 wheels and simple design. The body of the rover is insulated from the heat of the lunar surface. And then the top of the rover is a radiator, which radiates heat from the electronics into space. We also have on board 2 payloads, and that 5 kilogram rover can carry about half a kilogram of payloads.
The Luxembourg Space Agency is not a traditional space agency, as we do not have our own space missions. Luxembourg took the decision to take a more commercial approach to space and help industry develop the technology of the future. The mission at the agency we have is to develop a competitive space ecosystem in Luxembourg. And through the spaceresource.eu initiative, we are committed to create a framework where companies can use space resource in a sustainable and responsible way. When ispace came to Luxembourg several years ago, and they put forward a vision for commercial lunar exploration program, it was quite obvious for us to support them here in Luxembourg.
So the rover's main capabilities is roving, of course. We have on board 2 cameras. One is a space-grade camera for high reliability. And then we also have a more experimental camera on the front of the rover, which is meant to give very high video performance. So we can stream videos down to our mission control room and drive it in near real time. Basically, we'll have operators here in Luxembourg driving the rover around at 5 to 10 centimeters per second. So driving around, we'll take images of the lander. We have on board 2 main payloads. So we have Moonhouse, in the front of the rover. This is an ART payload that will be deployed. So after we deploy this, then we will drive around and take various pictures of it at different angles. And then we also have Scoop from our partner Epiroc. So that is a mining company, and they provide a scoop which allows us to pick up and move regolith. So this is leading towards our resource utilization on the moon.
Developing a rover is a complex project. You need a system that's able to survive the launch and then operate in the harsh lunar environment. For this, you need the technology, the supply chain and the team to build your rover. ispace managed to address these 3 areas here in Luxembourg over the last years. They gradually matured the technologies through the R&D contracts. They worked closely with the university to have access to the talent they need and identified suppliers for the key elements of their rover here in Luxembourg. ispace development in Luxembourg is very positive, and they managed to build up an excellent team here in Luxembourg, and we hope to see more in the future.
We'll continue this line of micro rovers, obviously with different payloads, different capabilities, depending on the mission. So we would plan to fly those on future ispace missions. We're also developing larger rovers, so both for ourselves and potential customers. This is to build up our capabilities for resource utilization, exploration, carry more scientific payloads, data collection to support exploration.